If you've ever wished you could create stunning, professional-grade images in seconds, without design skills, expensive tools, or monthly subscriptions, then you're going to love this. Today, we're checking out NanoFlow, the brand new Google NanoBanana-powered AI image generator that's taking over 2025. And trust me, the results are insane. So what exactly is NanoFlow? It's a cloud-based AI platform that turns any simple text prompt into high-quality, completely unique images. No software, no learning curve. Just log in, type what you want, and the AI handles everything. It's built for beginners, creators, marketers, agencies, and basically anyone who wants fast, unlimited visuals for social media, ads, YouTube, e-commerce, or client work. Here are the features that really make NanoFlow stand out. First, real AI text-to-image creation. Just type your idea, and NanoFlow instantly turns it into a stunning visual. No templates, no design skills. Second, unlimited images, no restrictions. Unlike expensive tools with monthly credits, NanoFlow lets you create unlimited graphics with zero limits. Huge money saver. Third, advanced AI editing. You can remove objects, change backgrounds, enhance details, uncrop images, swap styles, all by typing what you want. It's like Photoshop powered by AI. 4. 100% cloud-based plus commercial license. No installation, no setup, and every image you create can be legally sold for profit. And yes, rendering takes under 10 seconds. It's fast. Here's the quick truth about NanoFlow. Pros: one-time payment, no monthly fees. Beginner-friendly, unlimited image generation. Advanced AI editing tools. Works for every niche. Comes with commercial rights. Cons: launch price is temporary. It will increase after the promo period. Overall, for this price, NanoFlow is an absolute steal. And the best part? When you grab NanoFlow through my link, you'll also unlock my exclusive $43,000 bonus bundle. Over 300 plus premium tools, software, templates, and DIY resources designed to skyrocket your online business. So if you're ready to create unlimited visuals, save money, and unlock commercial-grade AI image power for a one-time low price, click the link in the description right now. NanoFlow is still in its early bird launch pricing, and the price will increase soon. Plus, you'll get my full $43,000 bonus bundle instantly. Don't miss out. Grab NanoFlow today and start creating stunning AI visuals in seconds.